Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Been taking some cold medicine lately, so been kind of out of it. Can't taste anything, but kind of getting back to it. Today we're going to make a drink called the Mystery Gardenia. Comes from Don the Beachcommer. About 22% before all the ice and smoothie blending. So let's get started. I'm going to mix it right in the smoothie blender container. I'm going to use Silver Ray. This is a Panamanian rum. It's the most Cuban-like rum out there that I can find. I'm sure there's others. 1.5, 1 and 1.5. It's 80 proof rum. Good flavor. And 1.5 lime juice. Move over here. 1/2. And 3/4 of gardenia mix. As far as I can tell, this doesn't have very much use except for this drink and maybe 1 or 2 others. So we're going to give it a try. This is basically honey and some butter mashed up in the original recipe, but I'm hoping they've managed to do all that, and I don't have to do any of that. I don't want to do it. Rather pour it out of a bottle. That's what I'm going to do. 3/4. Very viscous. It's a brand new bottle. Oops, there it all came. 3/4. Strange stuff. I might have to research it a little bit more. Wipe my hands off. And 1 dash of Angostura. I've got a glass here cooling. Some ice, some crushed ice. About 4 ounces. And blend that up slightly so it's not too lumpy. Give that a pour. Nice color. Good foam. Need a large glass for this. It comes out about 5.5 ounces with the ice. And there it is, the Mystery Gardenia. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.